How to make a shirt in Roblox PC. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the tutorial. For this, you can open up your Roblox application in your PC or mobile device and follow this simple step. You have to tap on the Create tab at the top of the Roblox homepage. When you are redirected to the Creator Hub, you have to select the option of Creations. Now from here, select the option of Avatar Items by just tapping on it. So right here, you can select your type. You have t-shirt, shirts, and pants. For the sake of this video, we'll be tapping on t-shirts. Select Upload Asset. Make sure that you upload only one file and the format is JPG, PNG, TGA, or BMP. And your file size is 20 MB. Now select Upload Asset. Right here, you can give a name for your collection or a t-shirt. Then add a description if you want to. Select the upload icon, then tap on your t-shirt, then tap open. Once you are done, just tap on upload. Now with a simple click, you have successfully created a shirt in Roblox. Now how can you make your avatar wear it? It is pretty simple. First and foremost, you have to head back to your Roblox. So go ahead and do that. Wait until your Roblox loads up. So right here, you have to tap on this 3 horizontal line. Now from this option, select the option of Avatar. Now in this avatar editor, you will see your recently made t-shirt right here. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the created t-shirt. Once you tap on it, now you will see that your Roblox is currently wearing the t-shirt you latestly designed. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.